Okay. Oh, I'm with you guys. From PT, one of them's a tutor. I've known him for a while, and a couple others who went to my class. Come on, Harvey.
Damn, you got long legs.
I got you.
You got long legs. Get in this shit, man.
Come on, Harvey, get in there. Your leg kick.
Oh, bro.
You're up close. The leg kicks can't get you.
Take down, Harvey.
Yeah. Don't look at me like that.
Come on, guys. Oh, shit. That was fun. There you go. You take about 5 of those leg kicks and you won't want to stand up anymore. Yeah. Doesn't look like that. You can't keep your hand out of there, Harvey. You get kicks like that. Get in there, baby. There you go, Harvey. Yeah. Keep your gloves up, Harvey. Woo!
Justin, block up. Come on. Oh, come on, Justin.
Pin down. Hands up.
Get him to the ground, Justin.
Watch the takedown, Harvey.
Hey, quiet so it didn't get down my gloves. Trying to coach him over here.
Whoa! Whoa!
That's awesome. Yeah, that's awesome. Yeah, that's a bra.
Ouch. Come on, Harvey.
Do the whole watch the hand thing.
Just gonna put that other leg back now. Let the other one take some.
Aiden.
What?
Want to play tap out?
Good baby. That's shit. Stuck in it. Come on, baby. Get in.
Come on, Justin.
There you go, Harvey.
That was a nut.
Oh. Put that head down.
Yeah.
Get down. Reach in with that right.
Arm bar up there.
Reach in with the right. Justin, keep your head down. Right and then up.
Come on, Justin.
Put your hands up.
Lower your center of gravity.
Hands up and down. Oh, go for it. Oh! Get him, get him, get him, get him, His ankle, his ankle. Get it, come on. Go. Take it, Harvey. Pull your leg out, pull your leg out. Get your leg out. Pull out. Get him, pull it out. Get up, Harvey. Get up, get up, get up, get up. Kick him, kick him. Kick him. Go for it. Keep your legs up, Harvey. Go, grab his head. Hold on to it.
Come on.
Do not knee him in the head. In the ribs.
You don't talk and bring your knee.
Come on, Harvey.
Just your knee. Come on. Bring your knee.
Let go of it when he stands up. Let go, let go, let go. Let go, Harvey. Let go. Let go. Get off. There
Come on,
you go.
Justin.
Rick?